Hey Tinkers, it's Mr. Patrick here at the library. I hope you've been enjoying building with me with the Tinker Kit 2025. We have unboxed, we have made a solar powered fan, we've used that fan to create a turbine that powers a light, and we just made a hilarious turtle bot together. Well, we have now arrived at the ultimate video. It is both the final video, the final project, but it is also just the beginning. Because this is the part where you take off on your own journey of invention to figure out what you want to power with this solar cell and the motor and any of the other components in the box. We haven't even used any of these gears or this pulley. We've just scratched the surface with the possibilities for the fan or the LEDs. I haven't used the rubber band. And like I said in the beginning, there's plenty of awesome stuff around you at home. You can dig into your recycling bin to find some clean stuff that you might be able to modify to turn into something new. You might dig out an old Tinker Kit and cannibalize some parts from previous projects. We've got a bunch of videos on our site from previous years. Right, this motor could power the zoetrope that we made in our first year together. It could create a gondola like we did 2 years ago. There's so many possibilities with the components in the box and with all of the things that surround you. And the axle, this guy that plugs into any of your Technic Legos that you might have around.
I got an awesome idea from this cool book that I found at the library. Oh, these simple machines. I made a robotic rocking horse. Oh, super fun. All powered by sunshine. And if you're going to go this way, just be aware that this axle fits pretty snug there on the motor, but you may want to add just a little piece of masking tape to get a really snug fit. And because your motor really isn't that powerful, you're going to want to use a worm gear like this, or maybe a pulley, to help use the speed and convert it into torque.
We want you to come up with your own creation, something that we haven't even thought of.
Maybe you'll team up with another tinker and use multiple motors.
No matter what you come up with, I know it's going to be a special invention. And I hope that you'll be willing to take a short video of your invention and share it back with the rest of the Tinker community at phtinkersandthinkers.com. We want to celebrate all of the creativity that's out there, and we'd love to give you a free t-shirt for sharing a video. I've had a blast with you this year for Tinkers and Thinkers. I just request that you keep tinkering together. See you next time.